Here's how to maximize your PC build's aesthetic without breaking the bank. If your setup feels like it's lacking in looks, Asia Horse cable kits are a must, bringing color to a dead build. Need more? Spray paint that AMD stock cooler to add another layer of individuality. Another tip, if you want good looks on a budget, cop an Okinos case. You get airflow, cable space, and that sweet minimalist look. They even have a wood grain style case that I think looks really sweet. What's your go-to budget mod? Drop your setups below. I'm stealing ideas.